Hi, this is Too Sharp with ET. I'm Nisha Podar, and here are the two big stories that you must know about today. Sebi has branded Jane Street's trade as a sinister scheme as the Wall Street giant prepares to fight back. And the Adani Group has made a bold unconditional bid of 12,600 crore rupees for Jaiprakash Associates, outpacing its rivals. Jane Street versus Sebi is the battle for reputation. India's market regulator Sebi has taken a strong stance against one of Wall Street's most powerful as well as secretive trading firms. And on Friday, remember, Sebi banned Jane Street from India's markets and also ordered the firm to deposit over $550 million in alleged illegal profits. In its interim order, Sebi described Jane Street's activity in Bank Nifty options as an intentional, well-planned and sinister scheme. Now, what Sebi alleges is that Jane Street allegedly supported the Bank Nifty index by buying stocks as well as futures in the morning, and then simultaneously it built large short positions in the index options, profiting as prices corrected later. So Sebi also claims that the firm ignored the warnings from the exchanges. Jane Street responds, the firm has sent a memo to its 3,000 employees refuting Sebi's allegations. So Jane Street says that it's deeply upsetting to see the firm mischaracterized this way. The memo also stated, as Jane Street vowed to contest the ban, the company insisted it was engaged in basic arbitrage, paused trading when flagged, and also made changes to address concerns. Jane Street also, remember, has argued that Sebi has ignored repeated attempts at constructive dialogue. This case is also linked, remember, to a lawsuit that Jane Street filed last year against Millennium Management, accusing the two former traders of stealing an Indian option strategy, which has brought renewed regulatory scrutiny to its tricks. Now, Jane Street has 21 days to respond to Sebi and seek a hearing, while Sebi has widened its investigation to include other trades as well as instruments. So let's understand, what is Jane Street. Well, it is one of the world's largest and the most secretive trading firms based in New York. It is known for its lightning-fast algorithmic trading. Also, it uses complex arbitrage strategies and significant presence in global ETFs, bonds, as well as derivatives. Now, the firm trades trillions of dollars annually, often acting as a liquidity provider in markets across 45 countries, while also maintaining a low public profile despite its size. It's a big deal. Adani leads the bidding war for Jaiprakash Associates in one of India's most closely watched insolvency battles. Now, the Adani Group has emerged as the only unconditional bidder for Jaiprakash Associates, offering 12,600 crores. So here's what really happened on Monday. The bids were opened during a meeting of the creditors. Dalmia Bharat, one of the suitors, submitted its highest bid at 14,600 crore rupees, but contingent on the resolution of a disputed land parcel in Gautam Buddh Nagar. Now, Adani's unconditional bid of 12,600 crores stands out if the legal dispute continues. Other bids included Vedanta's 12,500 crores, Jindal Power's 10,300 crores, PNC Infratech with 9,500, and Suraksha Group did not submit a full bid. So the creditors have now asked all the bidders to improve their offers before a final vote, which will, remember, require at least 66% of the creditors' approval and also clearance coming in from NCLT. Here's why Jaiprakash Associates matters and why there is such a war. JP Associates, or JAL, is the flagship of the JP Group promoted by Manoj Gaur. At its peak, it embodied India's infrastructure ambitions, including the construction of the Yamuna Expressway, India's only Formula One circuit. premium residential townships, cement and power plants, and also luxury hotels. However, years of overexpansion, project delays, as well as ballooning debt that led to its collapse. After its housing arm, JP Infratech went into insolvency, remember, in 2017. Well, JAL followed suit this year with over 57,000 crore rupees in admitted debt. Its key assets include real estate near the upcoming Jewar Airport, also cement plants, power projects, and hotel, make it one of the most valuable insolvency cases currently under resolution. Most of the debt is now held by NARC, which owns 87% of the claims and is leading this particular process. With that, it's a wrap on 2 Sharp with TT. Thanks so much.